Wayne here with Bells of Steel. Today I'm with Braden at Golden Larch. Golden Larch designs a lot of our Bells of Steel customer home gyms that you see us post on Instagram and YouTube and some of the last couple of video tours that we've been doing. Braden, thanks for inviting me here. Let's talk a bit about this home gym.
Sure, you bet. This is called Project Limestone if you check it out on our Instagram. It's one of our favorite builds so far. There's lots of cool features here. Lots of LED features, light up, fancy kind of studio vibe to it. We've got lots of Bells of Steel's equipment here, a really nice custom storage wall. So lots of detail work, but I think at the end of the day, it's a really nice concept.
Yeah, and for anyone interested in reaching out to you and building out a home gym, similar to this, or even a simpler design, like what's kind of like your first step?
So you can kind of get in contact with us either through Instagram or our website, and we just kind of get the conversation going. I'll get you guys to send me some photos. If you have an idea of what you want, perfect. If you have no idea, that's fine. We'll set up a site visit. We'll see what kind of the space looks like, what your fitness needs are, what makes sense, especially in a home gym where you're kind of usually space is a restriction, is kind of the more multifunction pieces. So kind of what makes sense for your space and your lifestyle and your requirements is kind of what we strive for.
Awesome. So what was for this Project Limestone, what was kind of the design process when you came in and you saw the room?
So we had a good chat with our clients, and I'll actually quote them as, we want this gym to be baller. It's hard, going back and forth with some design ideas. This one I really wanted to have that wow factor, and it took a little bit, but it finally popped into my head. And then I had an idea for all this retained stone and feature wall with this really nice metal finish. Right. How I came up with it, I don't know, but pitched the idea and they loved it, and then we built it, and they're just in on. People who come down here just really love it. So it's nice when you get stories from clients and they're we just love the space so much, it's motivating to be in it, and it's just helping them achieve their goals and setting them up for success ultimately. So
awesome, for sure. And I noticed a lot of the gym that you've been building lately have featured our Hydra Rack. What do you find is the biggest benefit of customers and yourself choosing to go with the Hydra Rack for custom builds?
Hydra, personally, I like to spec the Hydra because it is 3x3 tubing, so you do get that more commercial grade product, and you're also not really breaking the bank. And what's nice is it's all modular, so you can change your heights, your sizes, your depth. The attachments are endless. If you go on their website, you'll know what I mean, because the list just keeps going on.
Yeah, that's actually a good point. All these pieces can be sold separately. Totally. So if you want to build it out, like you say, you have a build that has the 4-foot post going out to build the cable towers.
Yeah.
This is perfect for that.
If you're creative, or if you're not creative, this is the rack for you, because you can build it as is on website, or you can kind of take it to the next level and build everything out and really make it your own. So
awesome. All right, so this is the other side of the gym here. This is the accent wall you were talking about?
Correct.
The stones are, you can definitely see the stones within here. It's a really nice detail. And the functional trainer, it's designed to be put into the corners of the room, so it doesn't take up a lot of space once it's in the corner, but it allows a lot of versatility once it's in place. Yeah,
and we kind of liked having it here, one, because we had a little bit less headroom in other areas, and two, they have really nice open functional space here. So I did spec this particular bench, which is the commercial 3.0, because you can actually lock your feet in. So you do get the option to use your functional trainer almost like a lat pull down machine, because you can supplement having a bench in here. So I'll just show you, for example, you can lock your feet in so you can actually get a little bit more weight to get your movements in.
So that's it for today's feature. Braden, thanks again for inviting us and designing all these home gyms, including us as a partnership. For more information, you can visit Golden Larch's website. It'll all be in the description down below. Also, their Instagram page. If you're not looking to build a home gym, you just want to check out a lot of the cool stuff that Braden has been building, you can check out their Instagram for that. And let the games begin.
Hey folks, Kayvon here, founder of Bells of Steel. I hope you loved that video. Be sure to smash that like button and leave a comment below. And if you want any of the awesome home gym equipment you saw in this video, be sure to follow the links in the description and let the gains begin.